Can I use an ordinary phrase as a trademark? Stay with me for the next 3 minutes and you'll find out something very important that you need to watch for before you use a phrase as a trademark. I'm Angela Langlotz and I go live here every weekday to talk about trademarks and copyrights because I'm a trademark and copyright attorney. Today, I want to use a case study to talk about phrases as trademarks. Now, I'm fond of saying that anything can serve as a trademark so long as it's distinctive for the goods and services that are associated with the trademark. And today I want to do a case study because this is kind of a silly trademark that I came across. I'm laughing because it's funny. This was a trademark that someone in North Dakota thought was a good idea to counteract or fight against the methamphetamine addiction problem. Their brilliant idea was to come up with a service mark, I guess, maybe for anti-drug services or something. Meth, we're on it. Now, I don't know about you, but this seems like an extraordinarily stupid trademark because what we're trying to do is we're trying to get people off of it. So this seems extraordinarily stupid, but that's just my opinion. Your mileage may vary. But someone thought it was a good idea to say, to use meth, we're on it, for some kind of anti-drug services. Now, this may not be a very good trademark. Why? Because it's probably descriptive for the goods, right? If you're on meth and it's all right, let me back up. We say that a mark is descriptive if it describes the goods, the end user of the goods, or the use to which the goods will be put, okay, or services. So if we're talking here about drug treatment services for people who are addicted to meth, this may not be a very good trademark. So the trademark is meth, we're on it. And that might be descriptive for getting people off of meth because we're calling out the word meth, we're on it. That might be actually deceptively misdescriptive, which isn't permitted either. In any case, it seems like it's a little bit descriptive, in addition to being extraordinarily stupid because we're actually trying to get people off of meth. But, you could still try to register this as a logo, even if it were descriptive. You just might have to disclaim the descriptive terms. What does that mean? When we file a logo that has descriptive terms in it, the trademark examiner says something like this, and I'm paraphrasing. Hey, cool mark. I don't see any reason not to issue it, except you have to disclaim, meaning give up, the exclusive right to any descriptive terms in your trademark, okay? And this might be a little bit descriptive or misdescriptive, and you have to disclaim those too. We don't get to use descriptive terms to misdescribe our trademarks as they relate to the goods and services. So we might be required to say, okay, I get my logo, I get the exclusive right to this logo, but I don't get the exclusive right to use the terms meth, we're on it. So if I'm offering meth treatment services, I would at least be required to disclaim the word meth because I'm offering treatment for methamphetamines, which are commonly called meth, right? So I can't claim the exclusive right to use the word meth. We're on it. That's a little maybe less descriptive by itself, but you get the idea. You cannot use descriptive terms in your trademark and claim the exclusive right to use those. So watch out for any descriptive terms vis-a-vis your goods and services when you're registering your trademark, because those terms are going to have to be explicitly disclaimed somewhere in the application before your trademark will actually issue. I'm Angela Langlotz. I'm a trademark attorney, and I go live here on weekdays to talk about trademark law. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. You can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Trademark Doctor. If you go to YouTube and you search Trademark Doctor, you'll find an extensive library on trademark and copyright law, and you can peruse hours and hours of me on video talking about this very subject.